Well, hello YouTube. Today we're back in Dayton. We went to Saudi Daisy Fishing Pier day before yesterday, and we were pretty much done for the day, and we decided we was going home, and then we happened upon this spot here that it's a boat ramp actually, but there's this little fishing pier. It's right on the Tennessee River. Blythe Ferry boat dock's what it's called, or boat ramp's what it's called. So we stopped in here yesterday and or day before, I'm sorry. We did a little fishing, caught some. Well, I caught some pretty good bass. Love you. That'll be on our TikTok, so go check that out too. It's under the same name as our YouTube channel. But anyway, we decided we was gonna come back and I'm gonna do a little catfishing, and Mando's gonna do her thing. So yeah, let's have us a good little day.
I got one. Bluegill. Very mean bluegill. Yeah. Yeah. Was that good, bud? You want another one? I'll get you another one. Watch this bird here. You want another one? Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
He's a good one too.
Wow. Dang.
That's a good fish right there. Good little bass.
I got one. Let me guess, you want this one too, don't you? You gotta let me get it off the hook first, if you don't care. This one's feisty. Come on. Come on. Ready? Get the fish. Honey, I have a new boyfriend. Oh, goodness gracious. Ow. Hey. Stop coming closer. Help. He's coming closer. This one's real big. Do you still want it? I don't know how many you can have. I ain't even getting to show the camera because they're all getting ate. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. He stabbed him in the head. Oh. Oh my Lord, he swallowed him anyway. He won't let me go. That's my husband. You in trouble now.